Hello everyone, welcome to Ganit Gurukul and this is Yogesh Garg. In this video, we are going to discuss JEE Advanced 2021 paper 2 question number 19. This question is based on the concept of definite integral and greatest integer function. What we have for any real number x, let this bracket x denotes the largest integer less than or equal to x. We all know this is GIF, greatest integer function. If I is equal to 0 to 10 greatest integer of root 10x by x plus 1 dx, then the value of 9I is. Now how to go about this question? First of all, what I would say is see the different integral possibilities for this expression. That is see for what values of x this will be an integer. That is, equate this root 10x by x plus 1 to different integral values. Let us say at what value of x this will be equal to 0. It is very clear that for x is equal to 0, this will be equal to 0. For what value this will be equal to 1? For the what value this will be equal to 1? And this will be equal to 1 when 10x by x plus 1 is equal to 1, and that is when 10x is equal to x plus 1, which is 9x is equal to 1. So for x is equal to 1 by 9, this will be 1. Now we must be very worried that we will be having many values of x for which we will be having different integers, but this is far from true. This is not true, because what we can see, though for x is equal to 1 we have very small value for this expression to be equal to 1 we have very small value of x is equal to 1 by 9. But let us say if I equate this with 2, right? If I equate this with 2, what we will have? Let us say we equate this with 2. So 10x by x plus 1 root, it is equal to, let us say, 2. So we will have 10x is equal to 4x plus 4, and from this we have 6x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4 by 6. Again, we can say that it is a very small value. It is between it is even less than 1. But what we can see, for maximum value of x that we can put this in this expression, it is 10, right? If we put x is equal to 10 over here, we will have 100 by 11. Root of that 100 by 11 is around 9 point something. So it means its root will not be greater than 4. I will explain this. Root 10x by x plus 1 is equal to, we have x is equal to 4 by 6, right? Let us say if I equate this with 3. Fine. We will have 10x is equal to 9x plus 9. And now we have x is equal to 9. Such a big jump. We have x is equal to 9. So for x is equal to 1 by 9, we have root of this as 1. For x is equal to 4 by 6, we have root of this as 2. For x is equal to 9, we have root of this as 3. So that big jump. So we need not to worry for what values of x do we have to break. We have to break at 1 by 9, we have to break at 4 by 6, and we have to break at 9. So that is not a big deal. Certainly not a big deal. So we have 0 to 1 by 9 root 10x by x plus 1 greatest integer dx. Dx is, yes, it is outside the greatest integer sign. Then we will write 1 by 9 to 4 by 6, because at 4 by 6 it is equal to 2. And a greatest integer of root 10x by x plus 1 dx. Then third is 4 by 6 to 9, because for x is equal to 9, it is this root expression is equal to 3. So for less than 9, it will be less than 3 and greatest integer will be 2. So greatest integer of root 10x by x plus 1 dx, and last it is 9 to 10 root 10x by x plus 1 greatest integer dx. Now just try to understand that for x is equal to 1 by 9, this root expression is equal to 1. So for any value less than 1 by 9, it will be 0. This will be 0. Greatest integer will give 0. So 0 into anything is 0. So we need not to calculate this. For 4 by 6, this root 10x by x plus 1 is equal to 2. But for any value less than 4 by 6 and greater than 1 by 9, this will be 1. Fine. So 1, we have this thing 1 by 9, 4 by 6, 1 dx. Fine. For third term, for third expression, what we can see, for x is equal to 9, root 10x by x plus 1 is equal to 3. But for any value less than 9 and greater than 4 by 6, it will be equal to 2. Because greatest integer of any value less than 3 but greater than 2 will be 2. So this is 4 by 6 to 9, 2 dx. And last, any value any value greater than 3 but less than 4. Why I'm very sure that it is less than 4? Because if I put x is equal to 10, I have 100 upon 11 and it is around 9 point something. So root of 9 point something is 3 point something. So greatest integer of 3 point something but greater than 3 is certainly 3. So we have 9 to 10, 3 dx. Fine. So what we have, we can calculate this. So this question was all about breaking the greatest integer part about integers. So this is a very wrong approach to put different values of x in check. But we should be aware that what is the maximum value of this root 1 expression. It can be equal to 0, it can be equal to 1, it can be equal to 2, it can be equal to 3, but it cannot go to 4. We should not be equating this with 4, because for this particular expression is equal to 4, x will certainly be greater than 10. So that is the advantage of putting the maximum value of x, that is 10, over there, and understand and get the idea that what are the different values of x, what are the different values of x for which this expression will give the greatest integer will give different integral values. For different value, for what different values of x we can break this expression into different integral parts. So for it breaks at x is equal to 1 by 9, at x is equal to 4 by 6, and at x is equal to 9. So this is the advantage of understanding of going through this question by equating the expression which is the greatest integer with different integral possibilities, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, but not 4, certainly not 5, and going ahead. So we have this expression. Now what we need to do is calculate. So 1 dx is dx only, x only. So this is 4 by 6 minus 1 by 9. Then you can certainly take 2 common, and 9 minus 4 by 6. Then finally 3 into 10 minus 9, that is 3 only. So this is 4 by 6 minus 1 by 9 plus 18 minus this will be 2 into 4 by 6, that is 8 by 6 plus 3. So we have 18 plus 3, 21. Sorry, 18 plus 3, 21. 21 minus 8 by 6 plus 4 by 6 minus 4 by 6 minus 1 by 9. This is the value of I, right? But we have to find the value of 9i. So 9i will be 9 into 21, that is 108, minus 9 into 4 by 6, that is 36 by 6, minus 1. So this is 108 minus 6 minus 1. It is 108 minus 7, and it is 101. So 101 is the answer of this particular question. 101 is the answer of this particular question. Again, this question, the important idea of this question was just to break this expression about different integral possibilities. So what is the crux? What is the main learning of this question? Whenever you have something like this, greatest integer of fx, just look for the different integral possibilities of fx. Equate it with different integers. Now, how to get the idea of what different integers we can equate? See the lower limit and upper limit of the integral. Upper limit is 10, so you can understand up to what value this root expression will go, up to what value this fx will go. Okay, so you have the rough idea of lower and upper end of this fx, and just equate with all different integers between that particular area. So we had only 0, 1, 2, 3, and that was not difficult certainly. But if in case we have to equate with, let us say, 5 to 6 integers, it will be a difficult task. So this question was not that difficult, and mostly that sort of questions appear in your advanced examination. So I hope this video was clear to everyone. This question was clear to everyone. If in case there is any doubt, please do ask in chat and comment. and stay tuned. Keep watching Anand Gurukul. We will meet in more videos like this.